In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extra space in Microsoft Word. So once you have some text in here, and as you can see there's a whole bunch of extra space in here, the easiest way to do this is by simply, firstly, turning up this show/hide over here, so this icon, and then anywhere you see this kind of reverse looking P, okay, the letter P, you want to simply mark all these lines, just hold it down, and then press backspace or delete on your keyboard, which will delete all those lines, okay? And once you then close this, so turn this off, as you can see, all the unnecessary space has been deleted. Now that's the first way to do it. But in case you were looking for a tutorial where you want to know how to remove all the double spaces inside a text, so let's say I type some text, hey, my name, okay, so I have double space, name is double space instant double space how to, okay. In case you want to remove the double spaces inside here, you don't have to click each and every single one of this is actually very simple to do. All you have to do is go up here to where it says find and replace, okay, and you want to click on replace, and then where it says find what, you want to simply type in double space, okay, and you want to replace it with one space, so you want to click one here, and then you want to click replace all, and as you can see, it made 5 replacements and no double spaces are in the text anymore, as you can see. And that's pretty much it, and I hope this video helped you out.